Connor.
Hello friends, how are you all?
Fine, sir.
Good evening Harish. So as you all know, today we will start class of HTML.
Okay.
Firstly, I will not giving you any theoretical knowledge. You will get it from the web. I will only give you the practical knowledge. My day is very fine. Firstly, Ishak, Harish, Ubaid, Kavisha, Bhupendra, and Ashmita. How many of you are having already having any HTML runner pad like Notepad or Visual Studio and all?
Yes, sir. Notepad is available.
You are using Notepad.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And rest?
Visual Studio.
Sorry?
Visual Studio.
Okay, okay, okay. And Visual Studio. Okay. And Bhupendra, you? Okay. Firstly, as we talk about the yesterday, that is what is HTML and all. So I am giving the short descriptions about HTML. That is, HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is a language that is used to create the website. That is, in simple language, we can say that HTML tag is only used for look, define, and feel of the website. With understanding of these tags, firstly, we ready to know that how to put them. We can create a beautiful website easily. Okay. In the short, just give me a second. I'm sharing a link. Casting my screen. This is the HTML. I hope everybody can see it.
Yes.
Yeah. This is the main HTML. This side, that is HTML. Firstly, we are using HTML tag. This is the HTML mainly. Secondly, this is the head tag. As we can say that head of our body. This is the head. And this is the title. The main thing of our website. And this is the body. And H1 and P. Here you can write your header and paragraph and all. How to write, I will tell you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Firstly, if you are using Notepad, then that is great. But if you are using Visual Studio, that is the more preferable for me. How many of you are using Visual Studio? Ashmita, you are using Notepad, right? And Ubaid is already using Visual Studio. And okay, okay, all are using. Firstly, if you can work if you can work at Notepad, that is okay for you. But I am appreciating about Visual Studio. That is very light to work. Today, firstly, the first step is how to install Visual Studio and how to run a program in Notepad. Firstly, today I will describe it, but I am having problem. Yeah, Ubid, uh, does it problem is does problem is not solved yet? After class, I will see. Okay. Firstly, how to install Visual Studio. Just go for Google. Just give me a second. My screen is visible to all.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. Firstly, I am installing Visual Studio. Go to Google, type Visual Studio, and download. I am already having Visual Studio, but for you, I am downloading again. Here is free download. If you are using Mac, then here is a version, Visual Studio. If you are using Windows, then you can use it. I am Windows 64, that is why I am using this one. Yeah, here it is downloading. But for note down one thing, when you are installing Visual Studio, VS Studio, you can say that. So just remember some point which I am noted down for you. I will share the note in the group. Okay. Yeah. It's depend upon your internet connection. Today my internet connection is very slow. That is the reason it take time. Did all know CSS and JavaScript? Yesterday I told you. Here VS Code is downloaded. Now I am installing it. Just click on this. I accept the agreement. Then next. Just see this point. This is create and desktop icon. This is the compulsory part. Other, that is add open with code. Action to window explorer to file. This is the point is very important. Please check all the point and click it, like open with code, action to window, registered code, editor for support, add a path. Next, install. I can't launch right now because I am already having. So I click on finish, minimize my skin. Here is VS Studio. But firstly, I am creating a folder. Here is HTML tutorial class first. And after that, here create another folder. Okay, leave it. Here I am opening this in VL Studio. Just click on this and I am clicking right clicking. Here show more option and see open with code. When I am installing that, he is asking me if this line is you need to here. Yeah, open this code. Trusted. Yes. Firstly, do one thing when you install this VS Code, then here go to extension, type live server. There are so many server, you can install whichever you want. I am trusting on live server. I am already installed. If firstly I am uninstalling it. The benefit of this server that you, if you can change your website as VS, you literally immediately you can see on your Chrome the changing of your website. Later on I will tell you about this on brief. Reload required, that is I am installing. Yeah, it's already installed. So here open editor, that is HTML tutorial class 1. We have created folder already. Okay, that is outline and that is timeline. I am going HTML to, I am going in this folder which I created at desktop. Right, I am creating new file. Here I am typing index dot html. Yeah, the new page is open. Here I can create folder also. Uh, Test folder. If you work in a bigger website, then this is very easiest for you. Create test folder. Here if I type, I can't type anything, but I am already see my old code is here. Is that clear to all? Any question regarding this? Are you listening?
Yes.
Okay. Now we are going through Notepad. That is an pad. Here. I hope all are having Notepad in their system, in your system, right? VS Code is very easy to work, while Notepad is very tough to work. Like here, I can type all the code. That is firstly HTML, then close HTML. It is take so much time to complete. Here, I can head as I already told you. Slash head. Here I can type body. Here I want to give some space to that. That is head, and here body. That is if I need to write title, then title. My first class of HTML. Here body. I am writing that is H1. Heading first H1 close. Here I am writing that is paragraph. Paragraph denoted by P. Now go to file, save. I'm giving the name that is first first program dot html. I am giving dot html file, that is save. Here you can see your first program. Just give me a second. How did you load quickly? It is by default or what? No, VS Studio is already having a default function. Kareem, I tell you after later on. Just give me some time. Today I am guiding you about difference between Notepad and VS Studio. Ishak, please mute. Now here is our first program, that is heading first and paragraph. If I go through the VS Studio, here folder is automatic created, that is stats folder, and that is index. Here, just a second, I am closing this index and I am going to VS Studio. Here I minimize this tab and writing title document, after that body I am writing here h1, right? That is h1, that is by default it comes heading first. And after that end, here paragraph, sorry, p. Here I am clicking go live. See here, it is go live. Then I am clicking on this. Here a live is detected. I don't click anywhere. Now I am changing, that is heading first, I am changing to heading third. Heading third. And I am control S. Here is automatic change, heading third. So we don't want to reload it again and again. But if I change in Notepad, here, if I change in Notepad, where is our Notepad file? Yeah, this is right click. Firstly, right click, open with, choose another program, more app, Notepad. Here, if I change here, firstly, I want to change here HIRD third, then control S, then go to Chrome and again reload this page. Then it comes third. So I hope you understood the function about VS Code and Notepad. Is that clear to all? Is that clear to all? Is there any question?
Yes.
How do you configure VS Studio so that when I type HTML tag into top? Shukri, I will tell you later on. Firstly, you can write the code so that you can learn easily. If once you learn the code, then you can again by default. Yeah, it is pop out. That is the default function of VS Code. Firstly, till here, is there any question regarding this? About installation, about anything? Okay, rather, other student, please. Okay, Shah.
Question.
Yeah, Shukri, please.
When you're using Visual Studio,
Yeah.
how do you configure such that when you tap the doc type, it automatically fills for you the syntax
That
without
is
typing it?
that is the
Just
default
like
function.
when you use. Yeah, how do you configure that default function? Because I was using it for almost 1 month, and I'm unable to. Where do you go when you want to
Just
select so that it
yeah, I'm sharing my screen again. Just see it clearly. What you want to do?
Okay, thank you.
Firstly, go to open your VS Code. Right now, I put this button and click enter. That is automatically come. Just give the here name index.html. You can give your particular file name, that is HTML or whatever it is, CSS, and you get automatically by default. I didn't make any setting and all. This one, Amit, and then enter. Later on, I will briefly describe about this. Okay. Firstly, now I am writing the first code. I am removing this. It's depend upon you. You can use your notepad or you can use VS Code. I am particularly using VS, so that is easier for me. This is the main code. Firstly, the difference between HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Firstly, I am tell you again in HTML is a car body. Here I am having just a second. HTML is a car body, only that body. Okay. CSS is car body with paint and decoration. Thirdly, JavaScript. JavaScript is containly that is car engine. Now you understand the difference between HTML, CSS and JavaScript.
Yes.
Sorry, can you repeat what you said about JavaScript?
Sorry.
Sorry, can you repeat what you said about the JavaScript, please?
Okay. Firstly, the difference between HTML, CSS and JavaScript is just a second. This is HTML. You can say that. Okay. This is HTML with CSS. This is the body is the HTML and here is the decoration half side. That is HTML plus CSS. If we put engine on it, that is the main work of the car. The car is useless for me right now. But if I put engine on this, then it is useful for me. That is JavaScript. Okay. Now we are working on this. That is HTML head, body, and HTML. Close. These all are tags. Firstly, that is doc type, that is document type. The tag defines the document type and HTML version. Right now, I am not reading the in-call messages. So if you want to say something, please. This is doc type, that is document type. The tag defines the document type and the HTML version. Okay, that is HTML tag. These are the basic tag of HTML. So this tag encloses the complete HTML document. This tag encloses the complete HTML document, which is represented by head open and head close. You can whatever you want to say. This tag I am saying open tag and this tag I am saying close tag. Okay. This is open and this is closed. So that is easier to understand. And this is the body tag. Entire bodies come in just a second. For an example, this is. Yeah. This is HTML. Yeah, this is HTML. Full website come in under HTML, open tag and close tag. This is head. We can say that head of our body. Here is the, if you write anything, that is title or whatever you want to add, it show here under head title. And this is the body, complete website of your, sorry, complete structure of your website. So head tag, this one. This head tag represents the document header, which can keep other head tag like title, link, whatever you want to put, you can put it here. Okay. And this is title, to mention the document title, whatever your document. If I write here first class, my first class, just a second. Here I write my first class. I am going live. A tab will automatically open. Here you can see that my first class. This is the title. You can write anything whichever you want. And what is your website title, like school. Control S. I'm already saving. Automatically change. No need to refresh and no need to do anything. If I type school website here, if I am not using shortcut command, then Control S. You can click it here, save, or you can use Control S. School website. Okay. This is the title. Now body. This is the body. If I here put it H1, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 are heading tag. Okay. And what is the difference between H1 and H6? I am telling here, that is H1. Here I write heading 1, H2, that is heading 2, H3, that is heading 3, same as H4, heading 4, H5, that is heading 5, and H6, that is heading 6. I am saving this with Control S. Now you can see difference between heading 1 to heading 6. Heading 1 is, it is automatically font, or you can say that here. Heading 1 is bigger font, bigger size. Heading 2 is smaller. Heading 3, heading 4, heading 5 and heading 6. This is H1 to H6 tag. And paragraph is denoted by P element, that is P is denoted by paragraph. This is paragraph. Here I'm Control S. This is paragraph, or whatever I want to write. This class is about to HTML. Yeah, this is the paragraph, this class. This class is about to HTML. Okay. And here, if I don't close any tag, if I don't close head tag and body tag, now you can see there is no changes. But if you are creating then website, there are so many changes in your website. Any question till now? Any question? How to leave now due to some reason, kindly send the note to the group later. Okay, done. There are so many tags starting from HTML to later on. Yeah, Taman. Any questions? So today we are writing our first program. Here I am writing a program from starting, that is HTML open tag and close tag is automatically appear. Secondly, I am typing head. Here I can type the title. Here my first program. After that I am starting from here. I can write body. Here I want to give heading first. The body tag, that is H1. And now I am using P tag, that is used for paragraph. Base. I am saving it and I am going to live class. Go live. Learn from programming. This class is the base of HTML and Java, HTML, CSS and Java. Am I clear to all? Guys, any question till now? So if you are using Notepad, then please upgrade to VS Code. So that is the easiest and it a lightweight open source from Microsoft. Again, I am telling how to install it. Go to Google, type VS Code and install it. Whatever you are using, that is Mac or OS. You can write even HTML in Notepad also, or other text editor what you want to use. Okay. You can use Notepad++ also. Now I am repeating the tag and their descriptions again because this is the basic tag which we are using. Firstly, document type, that is the tag defined document type, which whatever the document we are using, that is. Second one, HTML, that is the basic tag of our program. To tag, that is HTML document, mainly comprise the document header which is represented by head, document body which is represented by body. HTML contain the whole tags. If you are writing any tag before HTML or after HTML, they will not considered at your website. For an example, I am giving you an example. I am using any of the website like here is the HTML template. Right click, inspect. Here the inspections come. I'm using it portrait. Here the whole HTML, the whole website is come under HTML tag. Here you can see. And after that, head tag contain that is 99, and body tag contain full website. This one you can see that is the blue area. And after that, div tag script. Okay, that is the main. As I already said, H1 tag is used for heading and P tag is used for paragraph. There are so many tags, I will tell you later on. Any doubt about installing or any tag till now? Do you know the difference between open tag and closing tag? Guys, any question till now? Yeah, Shukri, please. Guys, tomorrow we will learn about so many tags and we will learn about the other program. But this is the base of our Ashmita. What is the UTF in the program? Just a second. This is Ashmita. The question you are asking, I will tell you in the second or third class. Open tag does not have, right. Open tag does not have that. Using this symbol is only using for close tag. Shukri, I am giving your answer. This symbol is only using for closing the tag. There are so many tag like bold, italic, underline, and if you want to give space, so we don't use any space bar. We are using BR tag. Later on, I will tell you about all the things. Today, we learn that is how to install, how to download VS Code, how to install it proper manner. So we can see about all the things of our VS Code. And secondly, how to open a website in Notepad. The same is applicable for Notepad++. And document type, that is HTML, head, title, body, H1 to H6 tag, H1 heading, H2 heading till H6, P for paragraph and B for body. Body open tag, close tag, head open tag, close tag, that is head, and HTML. In a simple language, we can say that a tag is like a container, either content to HTML tag, that is HTML document is equal to browser is equal to page. I am giving some short note. Please, if you want to note down, then please note down. Firstly, head and body tag are the children tag of HTML. You can say that. HTML is the parent of head and body tag. I am repeating again. Head and body tag are the children of HTML tag. And HTML is a parent of head and body tag. Most of the HTML element have open and closing tab with containing between open and closing, like title, H1, H2. Some element tags have no content. If some element or some tag having no content, that tag we are calling empty element. Am I repeating again? There are so many tags, as I already told you, that is big and small tag. If we can make more, if we can make a text and we want to bit larger or bit smaller, we are using big and small tag respectively. Later on I will tell you about this tag in more description, like HR, subscript, superscript. There are so many tags. So if you want to learn that, keep practicing this tag. If you practice, then you can learn it automatically. Is there any question till now? Guys, from tomorrow we are, yeah, Obed.
No.
Okay. From tomorrow we are doing practical. From today we will use our first program, that is the basic program. You can practice it in your VS Code, and from tomorrow we all do second and third program, and I am give you another tag. So please make a note, daily basis note at your books, so that is the easier to keep learn. Okay. So today we are closing our class.
Vishal?
Yeah.
Hello? Vishal, if you don't mind, just please send that recorded video to in a group, post
Yeah,
on
yeah,
the
I
group,
will. I will.
please.
Yesterday I also shared.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
if
Oh,
you want anything, you can ask me personally. Okay.
yeah, okay.
Okay. So
Thank
goodbye,
you.
friends. Today class is over. Yet. और उतना बेस्ट नहीं था यार, इससे भी बेस्ट मैं कर सकता था.